We are doing a bone marrow transplant birthday at the Cheesecake Factory. You love this table?
I'll sit next to you.
All right.
Kids pasta with bow tie and butter and parmesan, and that's it.
I might get the pizza style chicken parmesan again.
They have cheeseburger spring rolls here. I did not know that. We are gonna have to try that and compare that with the Walt Disney World spring rolls. Look at this, coconut mojito. It's got too much mint in it from what I can see right off the bat. That's pretty decent. That's good. Cheeseburger spring rolls, the sauce. This is gonna be like mustard and ketchup, right? Oh my goodness. It's really good. Okay, now I've got the cheese. Both of those are really delicious. The garlic, ketchup, mustard, mayo sauce tastes better with it. Carbonara, chicken parm pizza.
Looks like a crab.
Honey truffle chicken. This is the bistro shrimp. Okay. It said crispy shrimp. These shrimp look like they're a little bit crispy, all right.
You say that lunch every
It's tasty. I feel like it's a little bit spicier than I would have thought. It's not as flavorful. It's very garlicky. It could be a little spicy. That's my biggest thing about it.
How many kids in that?
It's pretty decent. I don't know if I'd get it again, but it's okay. So I'm gonna try the honey truffle chicken. That's perfect. It's juicy. It's crunchy. It has great flavor. I don't think you can make that any better. The honey's really nice, actually. It's delicious. I can see why my mom gets it every time. Can't go wrong. Every time I get a meal here, it's bland. And I shouldn't have got anything because I know these people aren't going to eat what they ordered anyway.
Pizza style chicken parmesan.
Pizza style chicken parmesan. Oh, that's really tasty. A great garlic flavor to it, actually. And the chicken's really nice and thin and crispy. It's just enough sauce. Yeah, that's really good, actually. Mine, I'm gonna go back and say mine really isn't a winner. I might have to try Reagan's carbonara. Hold on. Soren's chicken pizza thing is really good.
But it's ridiculously weird.
This is carbonara. Carbonara isn't my favorite flavor. My kids really like Alfredo carbonara type things. Hers has a nice smoky flavor, but it's missing an acidity, and it also needs more cheese. It's a bow tie. I think it's called parfait. Hers is actually very good.
No, it is.
Hers is better than mine. Plain bow tie pasta with butter is better than what I have. So, I'm the loser again, but maybe the cheesecake will be a winner. Exciting?
It's smoky.
It's smoky.
Like, yeah, kind of.
You ate all the marshmallow off the side already?
No, yeah, kind of.
Yeah, kind of. This is the s'mores cheesecake.
It's good. I'd have it again. Oh.
That's one of the best cheesecakes I've had so far at Cheesecake Factory. The chocolate's really good. And then
The fudge is awesome.
the balance of the cream and then the graham cracker flavor. I love graham cracker. I love that one. I'd do that one again.